Gaining muscle mass at this stage of life not only allows you to feel stronger and more energetic, but also contributes to maintaining bone health, preventing injuries, improving posture and autonomy in everyday life. Therefore, by following every detail of this video, you will be committing yourself to a healthier and more active future, fully enjoying the benefits that gaining muscle mass can offer. So sign up now, and let's start this journey towards a stronger, healthier life. 1. Resistance training. Resistance training is a cornerstone for gaining muscle after age 45 as it stimulates muscle growth and strengthens the skeletal system. As we age, muscle mass tends to decrease, making resistance training even more crucial. Including weightlifting exercises, resistance machines, or even using your own body weight in your exercise routine can help increase muscle density and strength. It is important to start with light loads and, over time, progressively increase resistance to avoid injuries. Additionally, resistance training can also improve bone health, coordination, and posture, making it a key strategy for maintaining quality of life and independence as we age. 2. Balanced diet. A balanced diet is a fundamental pillar for gaining muscle mass after the age of 45, as it provides the nutrients necessary for muscle repair and growth. Prioritizing a diet rich in lean proteins, such as chicken, fish, eggs and legumes, is essential, as proteins are the building blocks of muscles. Additionally, eating complex carbohydrates like whole grains and healthy fats like avocados and nuts provides the energy you need to train effectively. It's crucial to also include a variety of fruits and vegetables to get essential vitamins and minerals that support overall health and post-exercise recovery. Consulting a nutritionist can help create a specific eating plan tailored to individual needs and goals, thereby maximizing the benefits of resistance training. 3. Rest and recovery. Rest and recovery are vital components of the muscle gain process after age 45. Muscles need time to repair and grow after exercise, making quality sleep and stress management crucial. During sleep, the body releases growth hormones that promote muscle recovery. It is essential to ensure an average of 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Additionally, practicing relaxation techniques such as meditation and deep breathing can help manage stress, which can lead to chronic inflammation and hinder muscle recovery. It is the proper combination of training, nutrition, rest and recovery that allows muscles to grow and strengthen effectively, especially at older ages. 4. Adequate hydration. Adequate hydration plays a fundamental role in gaining muscle mass after age 45. Water is essential for a number of processes in the body, including protein synthesis and the transport of nutrients to muscle cells. During exercise, we lose water through sweating, and dehydration can impair muscle performance and recovery. Staying well hydrated is crucial to avoid cramps, fatigue and injuries during training. Therefore, it is recommended to drink water regularly throughout the day, paying special attention to replacing fluids before, during and after exercise, thus contributing to the ideal functioning of the body and the effectiveness of resistance training in search of muscle gain. 5. Professional supervision. Consulting a healthcare professional and, whenever possible, a personal trainer, is a crucial step in the process of gaining muscle mass after age 45. A doctor can perform a general health assessment to ensure you are fit for resistance training, taking into account any pre-existing medical conditions. Additionally, a personal trainer can design an exercise program tailored to your individual needs, taking into account goals, fitness level, and any specific limitations. They also play a vital role in ensuring that exercises are carried out safely and effectively, minimizing the risk of injury. Together, professional supervision ensures you are following a personalized training plan that optimizes muscle gain while keeping your safety and well-being at the forefront. 6. Hormones and supplementation. Hormones and supplementation play crucial roles in gaining muscle mass after age 45. As we age, the production of hormones such as testosterone tends to decrease, which can affect muscle growth. Seeing a doctor to evaluate hormone levels and, if necessary, discuss hormone therapy options can be an important consideration. Furthermore, supplementation with specific nutrients, such as vitamin D, calcium and magnesium, is essential, as these nutrients are essential for bone and muscle health. Protein supplements can also be beneficial in meeting daily requirements, especially if dietary protein intake is inadequate. However, it is important to highlight that supplementation should be discussed with a healthcare professional to avoid excess and ensure that it is safe and effective. An individualized approach, considering general health and specific needs, is essential to optimize muscle gain at this stage of life. 7. Monitoring and adapting the plan. Monitoring and adapting the plan is a vital aspect in the process of gaining muscle mass after age 45. As we age, our physical needs and capabilities may evolve, making constant adjustment of our training and nutrition program essential to meet these changes. Conducting regular progress reviews and reevaluating goals is critical to ensuring the plan remains aligned with muscle gain goals. Having a healthcare professional or personal trainer involved in the process is highly recommended, as they can provide expert guidance and tailor the plan based on individual capabilities and limitations. This dynamic approach ensures that results are optimized safely and effectively, making muscle gain a sustainable and successful journey. In summary, the concepts covered in this video provide a solid foundation for those who want to gain muscle mass after age 45, highlighting the importance of resistance training, balanced nutrition, rest, hydration, professional supervision, hormones and supplementation, as well as monitoring and adapting the plan. However, it is essential to remember that each individual is unique, and needs can vary significantly. Therefore, it is essential to seek guidance from a doctor or healthcare professional for individual assessments, taking into account health, medical history and specific goals. The safety and effectiveness of the muscle gain program depend on a personalized approach, adapted to each person's needs and limitations. Therefore, when applying these concepts, always consult an expert to ensure that your path towards a stronger, healthier body is safe and efficient. Thanks for watching. Sharing this content can help inspire and guide others in their quest to live a healthier, more active life. Together, we can disseminate valuable information and drive positive change. Be sure to share this video with friends and family interested in improving their health. And, to continue learning, check out the video suggested on the screen. To the next.